Hey guys, it's Lawrence and I'm here at Studio 1212. We are here shooting for Akina Wilson. This is, I would say, shoot number 2 for her. The first time it was very casual, more headshots. This time we're going a little bit more risque, edgy, and editorial. And honestly, for all the models out there who are watching this, I would recommend you guys do that too. Invest in your portfolio like she is, because these shots are phenomenal. Just, mwah. You know I gotta think, there she is right there. Why don't you come over here, Akina? What's on for the BTS? Akina Wilson, everybody. When we get these pictures done, I want you guys to really go follow her, show her some love. So yeah, she is signed with me in New York. We're getting all her stuff ready for her book for the agency. So make sure you guys check her out.
Round 1. Fight!
Arms out. Hold. Good job. Now make the pose of the
Final round. Fight! Excellent. Outstanding. Flawless victory.